So I'm on my way to my brother Steve's house in Oscoda, Michigan, and I've got a camera on the trailer and the one inside the truck here looking out the window at normal speed. I got out and put a camera outside so we can see the 747s from the Coletta compound. I don't know how it'll come out on that camera out there, but there's 747 right there. A bunch of them, my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4. I couldn't count them all. Too many to count. So right to the right there is where the canoe race from Grayling ends. Not exactly sure exact spot. Well, I guess about park right there. I think they put up bleachers and stuff at the time. Okay, so this is what I went over to my brother's for, get this lawnmower. So let's get it unloaded. It's got a problem. It doesn't shut off, or tries to continue to move. And we're not exactly sure why, but if I find that out, then I'll be able to fix it and get it running good. It runs great. So here's the lawnmower I picked up from my brother. And the problem with it is when you put it in gear, it does not, just continues to move. You can't stop it with the pedals like you're supposed to be able to. So I'm gonna have to tip it up and look underneath of it. But first I'll go to the internet and look and see how the belt routing is for an LT2000. So there's something wrong here, not sure what it is. But we'll check it out. Changing the drive belt, found out I had a bad blade spindle and some other bad pulleys. I changed all that. Now everything, well, we'll see here. It's working pretty good. So what I need to do is get this guard out of the way, which is how I did it the first time. Okay. Get them out of the way. Now, I got a cable disconnect here too. Get a good picture of this. This is kind of how the belt goes. Except it comes back here. It's like, let's go get a straight edge here. Well, good morning, everybody. It's what? May 20-something, about the 22nd. 22nd? Oh, it probably tells you right on this 23rd, May the 23rd. And 50 degrees outside, or 10 Celsius. This morning I made some dog treats. And if you're interested in these, there's, the dogs love them. You bake them for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. That's peanut butter, almond flour, turmeric. So I will put the recipe in the description. This is my lathe, and this is a part for the lawnmower that I welded up so I could resurface it because it was worn out. I'll show you a little better. Let's see. Not I don't know if you can see it's still. She's still a little rough. I can't get any closer over here because of the way I have to put it in the lathe chuck. So, see we can do a little handwork on that and fix her right up, though, I think. So yesterday I cleaned up this welded piece. This is going to mount there, and this was all worn, so I welded that. I got to grind that back today. So here's the piece that fastens to that, and you can see that I welded that, so I got to grind this back flat too. Put a lot more weld on there than I needed, I guess. You can see where I welded it up here. That was all worn out right there. So now I'm going to take this grinder and my disc sander over here, this sander here, and I'm going to try to flatten that out. And that's where that other piece I've been working on gets mounted. So I got a little weld inside the screw hole here. So I got to go back and look at the pictures and find out how all this goes so I can continue to put it together. But look at that, that's going to go there. Let's see. That'll go like that. All right, we're going to stand this up on end and finish this installation. All right. These two are the same, I think. Yeah. So this goes on here. I'm pretty sure this needs to come up tighter. That lifts the front of that up a little. Looks like it's still lower than the back. Okay. They don't look too bad. So I had to fasten these up. And then that front one right there, there's a cotter key holds it on. Had to get the belts on. They appear to be in a proper place. Everything seems to be looking pretty good.